In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic sequences in HubSpot, guiding you through each step with clarity and ease to ensure you feel confident using this powerful tool. So, let's dive in. First things first, open HubSpot and make sure you've logged into your account. Great, now that you're in, let's make our way to the trial guide. This guide is an essential resource packed with everything you need to effectively kick off your form building process, and it's definitely worth exploring if you're just starting out. At your homepage, take a look over at the top and click on Sales. Under the Sales tab, you'll see the option for sequences. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're there, locate the Create a Sequence button and give it a click. You might need to click Create Sequence again to get things going. Now you're in the creation mode. At the top of this page, you'll notice a pencil icon. This is your cue to get creative with naming your sequence. Go ahead, click on the pencil, and edit the name to something that fits the sequence's purpose for easy reference later on. With your sequence named, let's move on to adding automated outreach steps. Your first task is to click on Automated Email, and from there, Create Template. This is where you'll enter the name and subject of your email. Once you've crafted a compelling message, don't forget to save it by clicking Save Template. On the right side, there are several options for what you want to add to your sequence. For this demonstration, we'll be selecting a manual email task. Click on that option and make your edits to finalize this task. Once you're satisfied, click Add. If you feel the need to add more steps, simply click the plus icon. This allows your sequence to be as comprehensive as you need it to be. Now, let's pivot over to the Settings section where you have a bit more freedom to customize how your sequence will function. Here, you can adjust the send window, which determines when emails are sent out. There's also an option to turn on email reminders, ensuring nothing gets forgotten. If applicable, select a campaign to associate your sequence with. It's all about making it work seamlessly with your workflow. Finally, let's talk about automation. Click on Automate, where you can refine the sequence, adding efficiency and saving you time in future executions. Once you've completed all these customizations, make sure you click Save. And there you have it. With this dynamic sequence in HubSpot, you're now set to streamline your outreach, keeping your campaigns organized and on track. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.